Hey guys, so today we're going to be making honey lemon pepper chicken. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is pat my chicken dry. You want to make sure you pat the chicken dry so the skin could be nice and crispy. Alright, so I do have my butter. I'm going to go ahead and massage that all over the chicken. Alright, so I have the butter all over the chicken, the front and the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my Knors seasoning. And just make sure that you do rub under the skin as well. Now I do have my ranch. I'm going to go ahead and add that all over the chicken. So I started from the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my lemon pepper seasoning. And just make sure you get it all over the chicken, the front and the back. Alright, so now that the chicken's all done, I have my potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and add some olive oil. I did cut them in half. Some salt, pepper, the leftover ranch that I did have, and then some lemon pepper seasoning. Go ahead and mix everything together. If you do need some more olive oil, just add that to the potatoes. And we're going to mix everything together, and then we're going to add that to the chicken. I'm going to add some thyme on top of my potatoes just for a little more flavor and color. I'm going to stick this in the oven for about an hour and 25 minutes on 425 degrees. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and make a honey butter lemon pepper sauce. I'm going to go ahead and add half a stick of butter. And we're just going to let that melt. Alright, so I have 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper seasoning and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix that all together. We're going to use this for our chicken and potatoes. Go ahead and add another tablespoon of honey. And just about a half tablespoon of lemon pepper, okay? And I did use unsalted butter, so it did need a little bit more salt. Alright guys, so my chicken is out of the oven. It took about an hour to cook. I have my honey butter lemon sauce, and I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle that all over the chicken and the potatoes. This is going to make it so nice and yummy. Now our chicken is all done. You can go ahead and take a look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also stay tuned for more recipes.